Hey guys, so yeah, it's mango season in Jamaica, and I know it's my first mango, and we are already almost in July. But I decided to buy a mango at General Foods. I know, why didn't you buy a mango at the market? Why didn't you get a mango off the tree? I am not where a mango tree is at right now. And me never seen no nice mango at the market. So I went to General Foods and I actually bought a mango. And guess what? It was for only 100 and I think $20, 120 Jamaican dollars for the mango. Yup. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. And it was actually so sweet. Like, I could not believe it was so sweet. I was like, clack it, clap that tea. Clap that tea. And ridiculous enough, I know it kind of looks small in the video, but it was actually big. Like, I was trying to show you guys, like, look how big it was. It was big as my palm. Like, what? Not saying my palm is big. But yeah, and I was deliberately eating a mango in the dark. If you're a Jamaican, you know. If you know, you know. Yes.